How to make an insulated tote bag. For this project, you will need these items. If you want this bag to be two-toned, you will need 2 pieces of your main fabric. Contrasting or matching, this is your creative decision. Cut and sew along the shorter edge. All other steps will be the same. Cut the main fabric to the dimensions shown. Cut 2 pieces of the contrasting or main fabric to the dimensions on the top of the lining. Cut the Solari fabric interfacing for the bottom of the lining. Cut the twill tape or webbing. With right sides together, pin and sew one top lining to the short edge of the Solari fabric interfacing. Repeat on the other side with the remaining top lining. Fold the length of your main fabric in half so the 2 shorter sides are together. Stitch both sides, leaving the top side open. Follow the same step with lining. Form a triangle by pulling the bag open at the bottom of the side seam. Lay fabric flat from the bottom corner. Measure and mark up from the seam's corner. Draw a line perpendicular to the side seam at this mark. Pin in position and sew along the mark. Do this for both sides. Line up the points of both triangles to make sure that they look the same, or the bag will be uneven. Cut off excess fabric of the triangle. Follow the same step with the lining. Mark on the wrong side of the main fabric with chalk, the center between the seams of the main fabric on both sides of the bag. Put right sides together. Nestle the lining inside the main fabric and pin together at the top. Pin the straps in the middle of the chalk line and the edge seam. There should be 4 areas like this. Ensure the main part of the strap is on the right side and will not get caught in the stitching. Sew the lining and the main fabric 5/8 of an inch, 2 centimeters together. Leave a 2-inch, 5 centimeter opening to turn the right side out along the center chalk line of one side. Turn right sides out, poking all corners square. Top stitch around the entire top to give straps extra strength. Make the center seam by measuring between the 2 side seams and marking the center down 8.5 inches, 21.5 centimeters from the top with chalk on both sides of the bag. Pin the sides together and sew down the length of the chalk line. Repeat going over the same line of stitching for increased strength and stability.